Hello everyone. Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Do you want to build a career in machine learning but don't know where to start? Are you a fresher or beginner looking for a structured and practical ML course? Then this video is just for you. Course Overview. We proudly introduced our Machine Learning Fresher Package, a 12-week comprehensive program designed to help you learn machine learning from scratch and build real-world predictive models. This course focuses on strong fundamentals, hands-on practice, and project-based learning, so you don't just learn theory, you apply it. What you will learn? In this machine learning course, you will learn Python for machine learning, data handling using Pandas and NumPy, supervised learning algorithms, linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, unsupervised learning algorithms, clustering, dimensionality reduction, model evaluation and performance tuning, building predictive models from scratch, basic model deployment concepts, tools and technologies. You'll work with industry-standard tools including Python, Scikit-learn, Jupyter Notebook, core machine learning algorithms. These tools are widely used in real-world ML jobs and projects. Projects and certification. This course includes 5+ hands-on projects where you'll apply your knowledge to solve real problems. On successful completion, you will receive a course completion certificate, which adds value to your resume and job profile. Course details. Course duration is 12 weeks. Course fee is 30,000 rupees. Eligibility: freshers, students, career switchers. Mode is practical and project-oriented. Who should join? This course is perfect for freshers entering IT, engineering and degree students, beginners interested in AI and data science, anyone who wants to start a career in machine learning. If you're serious about learning machine learning the right way, this course will help you build a strong foundation and practical skills. For enrollments and details, phone 741-860-2650 or 89251-32650. Email contact@yajentiotrainingacademy.com. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech and career guidance. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.